your buy box. If everything looks like a good deal, you must be buying the wrong one. Create a buy box. Your exact criteria. Are you looking for cash flow, appreciation, secondary market, primary markets? Alberta is big and diverse. Don't shop blind. You have to decide where to buy. It's Edmonton, Calgary, or the smaller towns. Ilang bedrooms, tatlo man yan, dalawa, lima. Ilang bathrooms, dalawa, tatlo, or apat. What is your budget? What are you looking for? Are you looking for a single family house or a multi-family unit? Are you looking for a cash flow or appreciation? Your buy box is like a grocery list. Kung wala ka nun, bibili ka ng hindi mo kailangan. At uuwi ka ng kulang pa rin. Alberta tips. Cash flow is often better in Edmonton. Appreciation is historically better in Calgary. It all depends on what strategy you want to apply in your plans. Your criteria protects you from buying emotionally. So comment down below kung anong mas interesado ka. Are you looking for cash flow or appreciation?